Hey my dude, what is up? And yeah. Let me just I guess I ended the video. But here we go. I'll just move my camera over a bit if I cannot. You're seeing different things. Yeah, so, we have these, that, we have these, into here, we have these, and this is why you should never, well, this is why some people look under women's dresses. To the daycare, please. Thank you. So he's still here, yep. I'll make the camera here. I'll show you the place. Augustus Gloop. Another chat. Augustus Gloop. Oh shit. Oh no. Wait, what happened? Help me. Please help me. I am under the water. Wait for me. Augustus Gloop. Right, won't even let me. Augustus Gloop. Oh no. Oh, he likes that. Shut up and go.
You have chocolate in there.
Move. Skadoodle. If you like having Robuxy avatars, join the group for some free Robux. Link in the description of lots of other videos in this one too. Wait, what? She ain't doing anything. I bet this is the dev working on the game. I wish he typed up the address on there. Caught in 4K. This is actually in 4K. Wait, what? Why is that and that there? It's not a baby. There's not much detail. Hold on, it's missing something, it's missing something, it's missing the control center. It's missing that control center. What do you have to say? I like it. Oh, everyone has. Goodbye. Goodbye. You notice you look a bit closer. She looks like she is gonna need a change soon. Wait, what? Wait, it's still spinning! What happened? What? What? What happened? I bet it was like, bye-bye. Goodbye. Right, what are the options? Okay. She chooses one, probably a bot. She looks like... But you're looking like... You can't see anything at the back. She looks like she's gonna need a change soon, though. But it's fully clean. God, everyone in here is an AVDL. Let's walk into... Even this one. Even this one. Why the adults? I mean, like ABDL. I know, I've seen this area before. I gotta do a loop. Okay, why are there diapers everywhere? He's like, what the hell? Wait, what? Can you actually sit on this? Yes, you can. Can you go on this? Yes, you can. Can you use these? No. Can you sit on this? Yes, you can. No. 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 Help me. What's in here? Hey. Okay, we know that place is there. Anyone else joined? No, thanks. Just looking a little sussy over there. Did you what? Imagine this guy's sitting in the lounge room with his phone. Parents walk in and see his swearing. He gets killed. Did it fall when I got on the spinning thing? What? Happened? What happened? Bruh. Bruh. What the hell? Destroy it. I got in here and broke. Oh. Oh, I can't do emotes. inventory. I wish I had an admin and I could like have a knife or a gun or something. That would be awesome. But make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah. But first, I'm gonna pretend that the video broke, then make him wear a diaper. Okay, we're resetting. He's gone. Meowie gone. Shark. Joke's on you, the vid's still on. Oh my goodness. Joke's on you. Oh, joke's on you, the vid is still on. Oh, this is getting rid of my brain cells. Now, go to the day. Now go to the daycare with a diaper. Hey, I think he left already. Did he leave? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna ask you to if you could like and subscribe. Yeah, it would be awesome, guys. And yeah, I'll see you soon, and goodbye, guys. Bye.